Hey guys, Matt from 4V Sessions Australia. With this build we had F.S.A Performances jump on board with us. They sent us a fully turbo back exhaust system with a resonator, and the sound it makes is absolutely unreal. Not only did the fuel economy get better, but the performance has been great too. So this little video will just run through and show you the sound differences and give you a full look at the full exhaust system. Hope you like it. Stay tuned for more things coming up with the new nav. There you have it, guys. You'll find him on Facebook, F.S.A Performances. Special thanks to Chris for his shed, letting us bolt everything up there, and Scotty for the hand as well. Stay tuned, guys. There'll be more new vids of the nav coming out shortly.
Let's get to killing it, long as I'm rocking with you, girl.